How to delete a collection on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the bookmark or the saved icon tab. Further, you will see the collections option. Tap on the collections option to see your grouped saved videos. Now, scroll through your list of collections and then tap the collection that you want to delete in order to open the collection. Now, inside the collection, tap the share icon on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on the delete collection option at the bottom. In the pop-up that appears, confirm by tapping delete again when prompted. This permanently removes the collection grouping, but saved videos remain individually saved in your general favorites. So, this is how you can delete a collection on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.